Hello, so good morning everyone. Good morning, have a very good morning. Yes. Okay, so hope everyone is doing good. Everyone had your breakfast. Hope everyone's health is fine. Okay, so I hope my stream is clear, right? Yes. Okay, so what is the market doing today? Okay, this is the 3-minute candle. I just had some preoccupations, so couldn't join by around 9:30. Chalo, but it's fine. Okay. So as of today, yes, the market is showing strength. Okay, as far as we can see now. So എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം, എല്ലാവർക്കും ഒരു നല്ല ഒരു ഡേ നേരുന്നു, നല്ലൊരു ദിവസമാവട്ടെ. Good morning everyone. So after the initial 20 to 25 minutes, okay, 25 minutes, market is showing strength, and yesterday actually we missed a good catch alle. We stopped the streaming by around I think 12:30, and after that there was considerable movement. I think by around 12:15 we stopped it. 12:30, okay, and after that again the same. So let us see if we can prolong the stream today. Okay, we have missed two golden opportunities, one on our first day and the other one yesterday. So we'll just see if we can extend the stream and get some good catches. Okay. Yes. Nifty at 24,800 now, 812. Okay, so this was yesterday's. We'll do one thing, 4-hour Fibonacci, we'll extend it to here. Okay, we'll see how it is panning out. This is from the 25,000 level to the 24,670 levels. That steep fall. Okay, and now entering the 0.618 region, 0.618 to 0.5 region, which can be the golden zone. Okay, which is the golden zone. And I think in all fairness, Nifty having closed below the previous 2 days low, there is, in all fairness, I think we might be heading to 24,500 by today or possibly tomorrow. Okay, 24,500 is a real possibility, where I see that there is enough of call OI build-up. I mean, also sorry, put OI build-up. Okay, so I just see that possibility too. We'll just see, we'll analyze it as and when it comes, as and when it arrives. Okay, so for my kite account, yes, but today, as of today, there is no sort of 225, 365, no sign that Nifty is gonna stop anywhere near. Okay, so I'm ready with my 25,000 call. I mean, no, this 25,000 C, and I will the size of the text to 16. Okay, so that this is visible, everything is visible. And now, yes, this is showing strength. I think this is a direct entry from 25,600, this one. I mean 25,000 called for. 25,000 call is at 67. First target would be 83. Okay, anyway, Nifty is showing strength, and our levels, we are above this 800 level too. Okay, just because I just just arrived, I'm just not taking any quick jump in decisions as of now.
What off here?
Side switch off. Door on. Okay, this has moved from around 30 to 68 now. Okay. So Nifty as of now is showing strength, and the next possible target could be all the way to 24,880. So yes. I just needed to get some technical things correct. Oh my god. Okay, so let's find Nifty will give us opportunities. We were just 5 minutes late today also. That's okay. Yes. How about this? Nifty might be ready for a quick run. Okay, quick run to 900 levels possibly. So I'm going to enter my first trade today. This seems straightforward. Okay, I'm going to enter 300 quantities, 4 lots at 70 is fine for me. So I'm going to go for 69. Oh my god. By that time I placed it there. Okay, I'm going to enter at 70. Chalo. No problem, we'll see. Okay, so 300 quantities at 70, that is my first trade. Okay, as you can see here, this is where we are entering at 70. Yes, and that is hit, and we'll see. Our first target remains at 24,900. So that target could take us up to, from 72, I think definitely to 80, 85. Okay, this is 88. So our first target could be 20%, as we generally say. Okay, as we generally take, 85 could be the first target, and from there, if a rally comes, then we will see. Okay. We'll see, and my stop loss will be the bottom of the previous candle, or no, it cannot be the bottom of previous candle because that's too big a stop loss. Okay, so I'll keep it at 10%, which is close to 63 to 60 will be my stop loss. Okay, so which is something which I can definitely afford. So I'll keep a stop loss at 62 to 63. There is enough strength in Nifty. Okay, so I believe in the strength of Nifty. So we have entered our first trade of 25,000 call, 22nd March expiry, 22nd May expiry at 70 rupees. Okay, so that is the first trade, and that is at 70, and our stop loss remains at 62 to 63 range. Our target one is at 85. We are expecting Nifty to go to the 24,880 to 900 levels. Okay, because this is showing strength. Okay, it has already pulled down, going up, taken a small break here of 5 minutes, and then it has considerably closed above. So I'm expecting that to go up. Yes, I just need some more assistance. I'll just be back in a minute. 1 minute. Yes. Okay, I'm just for the time being, because if this is becoming a rate test, I'll just head my stop loss to 60. Okay, I'm just modifying my stop loss to 60. Okay, so just so that I get some buffer. So 70 to 60 will be my stop loss, and 85 will be my target one. So the rest of the target we can trail our stop loss. Okay, so this is my entry at 300. Okay, at 300 is my entry. Entered at 70, currently trading at 67. Okay, so Nifty is expected to go from 820 levels to 880 levels. We'll see. And who knows, we might see a rally of up to 25,000 too, probably. Just like we missed it on Thursday. What if that's the case? Okay, so yes. Yes, Nifty has started to show strength again, going up it seems. Yes, reached 73, 74. Okay, so as you can see, this is the live P&L. Okay, Nifty is at 74. I'll also track this with my kindly understand that there is a 6-second delay somewhere, so do understand that there is a delay and act accordingly, please. What is Nifty at 835. So I just want to track Nifty 2. Yes. So 880 to 900 will be your first level, which means I am aiming a target of around 85. 85 will be the first target. Where I can book my partial quantity. Nifty is approaching the 840 levels now. Okay, 76. How much is 20% of 70? 14, right? 14. So if we get to 84, it is 20%. So 84 to 85. Let us say 84 to 85. There is no need for Nifty to lose momentum and give a pullback now, because it has already pulled back, and the previous candle was sort of a hammer and then went up. It seems to be bullish all the way, and I don't see much of a resistance coming until 24,880 to 900, if at all there is one. Okay. And to look at the OI data, I'll just look at the option interest data too of Nifty. Open interest data. Yes, so 24,800 and 24,700. Yes, there is very good build up at 24,700, and the most build up is at 24,700. Interesting. Okay, so that is interesting. And the 24,900 can be a small, it is not as big as that, but there are good amount of put writers at 24,700. So 24,700 is going to be today's crucial support if the market comes down. Okay, and there is a huge call away build up at 25,000 as expected. Obviously 25,000, there is huge call away build up, which means that it can act as a very good resistance. Okay, so at 66, 65, 66 now. Yes. RAR, that's not good. So approaching 61 now. Okay, 61 to 60 will be, I told 60 will be my SL. Okay, I'm ready to exit at 60 if at all it comes to 60, 60. So there is a good possibility that it can come down to 60. So I am waiting for this level 2, which is the 0.618 level, which is at 24,800, which can coincide with our option value of 60. Okay, so if this goes beyond 800, then possibly our option value will also go below 60. So that is a possibility. Currently trading in the loss. Okay, so this is our current live P&L. Entered at 70, currently at 64 to 65 range. It is okay for Nifty to take a small break, and then if it gives a pullback, then definitely 24,900 I expect. Okay, that is what I expect. At 67 now, 67, 66, yes. So we should have been in here some 10 minutes earlier. We could have got a good catch. Chalo, it's fine, there is still enough room. There is another 4 more hours for Nifty to, 5.5 hours for Nifty to finish today. So Atul SR says hi Atul, hi Rahima, hi Shraddha, hi Vamshi Banod, hi AB. Okay, Vamshi says hi AB. Vamshi is my cricket team partner from NIT Tricity. Okay, and Srijit and hi. Srijit has been a regular visitor, regular viewer of our streams for all these days. Thank you everyone. Thanks for your support. And currently, yes, I think Vamshi has tuned in for the first time, I guess. Okay, chalo. Hopefully Nifty goes beyond 850 this candle. If it breaks beyond below 800, I'm not in. Okay, so I can definitely suffer a loss of 10%, 10 to 12%. Vipin Madhav says hi Vipi. Vipi ഇന്നലെ രാത്രി വരാന്ന് പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് വന്നില്ലല്ലോ, അമ്പാടി കണ്ണോത്ത്. Okay, hi everyone. Hope you're doing good. Okay, hope everyone is fine, doing well. To all the traders, best wishes to all your trades today. Okay, I cannot see our regular visitors Jacob or Abel. Okay, so those who have tuned in, please consider liking the stream. Okay, please subscribe to our channel also. Okay, so that gives us more motivation to give you good content, stay in the market, stay in the social media content for a long while. Okay, so this is what we are expecting today. Nifty to break the day's high and move up again, because there is enough strength and there is good core build up at 800 and 700 levels too. So Nifty as of now looks good, looks all good to move up. This might be Nifty taking a break, but below this 24,800, so I'm not gonna hold long. So currently at option is at 67 range. Yes, Nifty moving up above 850 can give us back to back green candles, good solid green candles, possibly, very possibly back to back green candles it can give if breaks above 840 850 levels. So this has come back to 70 now. Okay. So as we have said, our first target remains this at 85. This, then that. Yes. First target is at 85. Okay, we have marked here at 85. Yes. I need another minute. Yes, Abel P says hi. Hi Neju. Hi Abel. Hi everyone. Yes. Okay, what are we at now? Nifty is at 826. Okay, Nifty tried to break that 840, hit the 840 level and came back again. But again, definitely it is trying. It is bulls are trying to gain control, and hopefully they will. നമ്മൾ ഒരു കോൾ ഓപ്ഷൻ ആണല്ലോ എടുത്തത്. So official NJ. Okay, J says hi. Hi everyone. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for supporting us. Okay. That the bulls are showing strength is why we have entered the call option at 70 with the stop loss of 60. Our first target remains 85. This at 826. Yes. Yes, I think the technical issue is resolved now. There was a small technical issue. Sorry for that. Yes, I think the. Yes, fine. Should be fine now. My video is not visible, I guess. Okay. So I'll just have a video displayed when video capture videos. So I guess now, yes. I think now it's fine. Yes, moving up all the way to 85 possibly. So going to hit our first target. Okay, Nifty is at 850 levels, which is very good. Okay, at 85 I'm gonna exit half of my quantity. I'm going to exit 300, so 2 lots. Okay, 2 lots at 85 is my first one. And Nifty should now not be looking back. Okay, chalo, just keep going is what we say. 2 lots at yes. So as you can see, this is the first lot. We have entered 300 here, 300 quantity here, and we are exiting 150 lot at 85, and then the stop loss can be trailed to our cost, which is 70. I mean, now itself the stop loss can be trailed to 70. Okay, so if it comes below 70 again, or let's say 68 for that matter, let's keep it at 68. Okay, at 68 is my stop loss now. I am not going to suffer any loss below 68, no chance. So 850 should be going all the way up to, this is what we expect, 870 to 880. It is at 81 now. What is it at 81? Hitting 81 and 80. Yes, seems to be straightforward. Has to hit the 85 zone soon. Hit it, man. Yes, Nifty is at 860. So this is only just the option is taking a time to adjust itself, but all possibilities that going to 85 and beyond. Okay, Abel says he has entered at 68. Oh, okay, good. And how about Neju, someone? KPL boys vlog. Okay, മുകളിൽ വരുമോ? മുകളിലേക്ക് പൊയ്ക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുകയാണല്ലോ. Nifty 860 ക്രോസ് ചെയ്തിരിക്കുകയാണ്. All the way to 900 definitely, most probably, in all possibilities 900. I expect 900. Okay. So 81, 80, 81. Okay. So it is at, Nifty is at 858, 860 now. We'll see. But രാവിലെ initial 15 minutes കാണിച്ച ഒരു strength ഇനി കാണിക്കണം. So I expect even this one to be a green candle, having showed this good strength. Okay, so I expect definitely 85, 83 now. Going to hit our target at 85, currently at 83. No. Because we are placed at 85, no. Chalo. Okay, I am considering my SL at 70 now, coast to coast. So whatever happens, no loss in this trade today. Okay, so I'm keeping it at 70. If at all it comes below this one, I'm keeping it at 70. And beware, for that you have to cancel the order placed at 85. Okay, you have, because else it will be a new fresh sell order. Okay, so for KPL boys vlog, for you, Nifty in all possibilities മുകളിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നതായിട്ടാണ് കാണുന്നത്. നല്ല സ്ട്രെങ്ത് ഉണ്ട്. ബയേഴ്സ് കൺട്രോളിൽ വരുന്ന പോലെയാണ് ഇനീഷ്യൽ ഫേസസ് നമുക്ക് കാണിച്ചിരുന്നത്. ആൻഡ് trend supports. Okay, trend supports, and there has been 1 or 2 retests also in this meanwhile. So everything looks okay, looks good. Okay, so went all the way up to, what is that, 83.5, didn't hit 85 but 83.5, and still waiting, still in profits only, still 10% profits. Let us go track Nifty better. Okay, what is Nifty doing? Nifty is at 858 now, at 82 now. Value for option is at 84. First target hit. Jingalala. Okay, so the first target is hit. Now the second target can be where Nifty goes to 880 range. So another 20 points from Nifty. So I will definitely I will just keep trailing my stop loss. So okay, 150 quantity I will keep it at, okay, so the at 75, definitely 75 will be my new SL, is what I prefer. Okay, so my new SL will be 75. Okay, so the first target is hit at 20%. Okay, so that is our first successful trade. 85 കൊടുത്തു. Okay, Abel says he has exited everything at 85. എല്ലാ ലോട്ടും 85 എക്സിറ്റ് ചെയ്തു. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു ബിഗ് ക്യാച്ചിന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ടും കൂടെ നമ്മൾ ഒരു പോസിബിലിറ്റി കാണണ്ടേ. 75 നമുക്കിപ്പോൾ സ്റ്റോപ്പ് ലോസ് ഉണ്ടല്ലോ. സോ കം വാട്ട് എവർ വി ആർ ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി ഇൻ 15% പ്രോഫിറ്റ്. സോ 12% to 15% definite profit. So no issues. Do consider trailing the stop loss too for a higher rally. What if Nifty goes to 25,000 today? Okay, yes, it is going above that 85 range now. So for KPL boys vlog, okay, just as we said, Nifty is behaving in like manner. It is at 90 now. Okay, 89 to 90. I will just keep trailing my stop loss. Okay, $92. Okay, 75. You have 75 quantity. Okay. One thing I would suggest you is not to look at your, okay, oh, it is still running this one. Oh, what is it? Oh, no, okay. Okay, one thing I would suggest you to do is not look at your P&L now. Okay, do not look at your P&L and you will think, okay, I have got this 3,000, 4,000, or I have got a 15,000. Okay, let me just quit it. No, just look at the value of Nifty, look at the value of the option and see how it is performing. Just don't look at the P&L. Okay, whatever, let it happen, because you might be in for, who knows, maybe a 50,000. Maybe I may be exaggerating here, but why not? Yes, going up to 103, trailing my stop loss to 80, 85, let's say 85, trailing my SL to 85. I'm telling again, trailing my SL to 85. Okay, so this will be my new SL at 105 today. How about Neju? Has Neju taken trade today? Nifty at 24,900. we may be in for maybe a day long rally too. We don't know yet. Okay. So my SL is currently at 85 and I'm not going to change that soon. See, I told you immediately after this candle, okay, that we can expect two back-to-back green candles. Nifty gave that, and the third one, even the third one is in green now. And I have to say, looking at the OI data, open interest data, I'll just update you the OI data once again. There is no considerable build up at 24,900. 24,900 can act as a resistance, yes, but the biggest one is at 25,000. I think people are expecting Nifty to go to 25,000 today, another 100 points today. So in another 100 points we might see this one coming up to 130 to 140 levels. Okay, 140 levels. Okay, so Nived Patali is asking reason for entry. Definitely. I'm happy to educate you also. In the sense, I'm happy to share my views. Okay, so Nived, this is where we took the entry. Where was it? It was at 950 candle. Okay, so what happened in the initial 15-20 minutes? Okay, Nifty tried to give the give a breakdown. Okay, to below yesterday's low of 670. Okay, Nifty tried approaching that. Nifty went to 690 levels too, but then the bulls gained control and they told, okay, enough is enough. Okay, madi, madi, and Nifty broke the day's low in only 2 candles. Okay, with strength. And look at the candles of 925, 930 and 935. 3 candles with solid green body. Okay, a candles in the strength. Okay, so and the candles allam nalla strength undu. And then Nifty gave a small retest, let's say, not a considerable retest, very small. Okay, retest here, and then the next candle again pulling up. Okay, and then the next candle and the next candle sort of consolidation or trying out there. Adu kayinittu veendum it is pulling up. So has Nifty fallen by more than a percent yesterday? Yes, Nifty has fallen by more than a percent yesterday. In the midst of, okay, I'll tell you this, in the 1 day candle, okay, in the 1 day candle, move all these things. Okay, okay, this one. See, Nifty is in the midst of an uptrend. Okay, when you look back from April, last week of April, Nifty is in the midst of an uptrend. Okay, Nifty uptrend generally overall. So uptrend there is a considerable pullback, yes, and then is Nifty trying to gain strength again? Yes, Nifty is trying to gain strength, and it is not going to be bullish from 1 week from here on. No, I am just taking a look at the 5-minute candle. Okay, 5-minute candles first target because it is showing strength. This has all the possibility to show strength for the next maybe 20-30 minutes. Okay, strength possibility undu. അങ്ങനെ ആവുമ്പോൾ ഫസ്റ്റ് ടാർഗറ്റ് നമ്മൾ വെച്ചത്, we kept the first target at 85, from 70 to 85, which is 20%. Okay, അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് what we did, that we didn't tell this is our target, we just trailed the stop loss trail ചെയ്തുകൊണ്ടിരുന്നു and see the result. Okay, see the live P&L now. Okay, it is entered at 70, currently at 110. Okay, entered at 70, currently at 110. I am holding half of my quantity still, and I'll just keep trailing my stop loss. That's it. ഞാൻ ഒരു ടാർഗറ്റ് പറഞ്ഞിരുന്നു, if Nifty goes to the 25,000 range, we might see the value of this option at 130 to 140 range. Okay, 130 to 40, that is what I expect. 40 range. So അതാണ് ഞാനൊരു ടാർഗറ്റ് പറഞ്ഞത്. So 25,000 definitely, mostly I'm gonna sell it off if Nifty hits 25,000, and I think it will. Just follow the trend, just obey the trend. ട്രെൻഡിൻ്റെ കൂടെ നിൽക്കുക, നമ്മൾ എഗെയിൻസ്റ്റ് ആയിട്ട് പോവുക, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ വി നീഡ് നോട്ട് ഡു എനിത്തിങ് എക്സ്ട്രാ. ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് മേ ബി ഇഫ് നാളെ ഞാൻ ഒരു ട്രേഡ് ചെയ്തില്ലെങ്കിൽ പോലും, ഇഫ് നിഫ്റ്റി ഡസൻ ഗീവ് എനി സിഗ്നൽ, ട്രേഡ് ചെയ്തില്ലെങ്കിൽ പോലും ഇറ്റ് ഡസൻ മാറ്റർ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ട്രെൻഡ് ഉള്ളപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ഈസി ആയിട്ടൊരു ട്രേഡ് എടുക്കാം. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ലെറ്റ്സ് നോട്ട് ഡു ഇറ്റ്, ഇറ്റ്സ് ഓക്കെ, ഫൈൻ. So I just believed in the strength of Nifty, just believed in price action, that's it. Let's do this too, let's do the Fibonacci too. Okay, it has broken the 0.38 0.618 level upwards. Okay, so is there any liquidity zones here? There is a normal liquidity formed here. Okay, normal liquidity is formed here. Fair value, okay, at 905. We'll have to wait and see. Okay, this is at 106. So I'm at a very decent profit today. My investment is around how much is it? 150 into 70. How much is 150 into 70? Or 300 into 70? 21,000. Okay. So for 21,000 I have already got a return of 35% now, as of now. Okay, so 35% returns as of now. So this is my order at 300 quantity bought at 70, 150 quantity I sold at 85, and the rest I am just trailing my stop loss. And let me tell you this, there is all possibility that Nifty might give a pullback also and then go up, just like Nifty did here. Okay, നിഫ്റ്റി ചെറിയൊരു പുൾ ബാക്ക് എടുക്കാം, ചെറിയൊരു ബ്രേക്ക് എടുക്കാം, എന്നിട്ടായിരിക്കും മുകളിലേക്ക് പോകുന്നത്. ഓക്കെ, അത് നമ്മൾ എക്സ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്യണം. സോ ആ സമയത്താണ് എൻ്റെ എസ് എൽ വെറുതെ അനാവശ്യമായിട്ട് എൻ്റെ എസ് എൽ ഹിറ്റ് ആവാതെ ഞാൻ നോക്കേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഐ എം ജസ്റ്റ് ഫോർ ദ ടൈം ബീങ് കീപ്പിംഗ് ഇറ്റ് അറ്റ് 85. ഓക്കെ, 85 ഈസ് മൈ ന്യൂ എസ് എൽ. ഓക്കെ, എവറി ടൈം ദിസ് ഗോസ്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ദിസ് ഈസ് മൈ ന്യൂ എസ് എൽ. SL is at 85. Just trying to write the profit. I think Neju is not in this stream. I think he would have taken the trade if he was here. A good friend of mine, my brother Abel, everyone. Okay, so those who are in the stream, okay, I think there are multiple people in the stream. Please like what you are seeing now. Okay, just give it a like, it doesn't cost much. Okay, just give it a like, consider subscribing our channel. We will be coming up with exclusive more content today, I mean in the upcoming days and weeks. Very good content we will be coming up with. Okay, so high quality contents will be provided to you free of cost in YouTube, obviously. And yes, I'll just need to do another thing. So is 900 broken? 900 is, it is at 900 levels, 900 to 910. So 900 is not totally broken now, I will say. Okay, not totally. Nifty is at 909. Let it go to 920, then we can say yes, 900 has been taken out. Okay, else it is in this range. So I am currently running at 8,400 profits. And whatever happens, so 150 into another 20, so I might lose another 3,000 if it hits my SL. So I will still be in 5,400. So 5,000 is a guarantee for me. Okay, 5,000 is a guarantee. Nifty at 913, trying to go up, again showing strength. everyone, those who have come into the stream, please give it a like. Okay. Yes. Yes, I can see a certain amount of people watching now, and yes. And by the way, how is your portfolio today, everyone? I'll just put a poll. Okay, just I have to put it up from FinanceWithAB. Yes. I have to put it up from FinanceWithAB. Yes. Okay, so multi-strand asking why India VIX not falling. Yes, I will give you an answer for that in 3 minutes time. Kindly hold on. Okay, I'm just putting up a poll here. Okay, how's your multi-strand asking why India VIX not falling. How is your long-term portfolio today? Okay, I mean the days P&L. Yes. Yes, there has been a poll put up in the, okay, I'll just pin it also. Okay, yes, okay, so there has been a poll put up in our comment section. Okay, so everyone just comment on the poll, comment to the poll. Okay, everyone, those who are currently watching the stream, okay, just give a comment on the poll. So the question is, how is your long-term portfolio today? Okay, I am asking the days P&L, today's P&L. Okay, it is the days P&L. How is your days P&L? Okay. I mentioned long-term portfolio because people might be confused with the positions or the holdings. So just to be clear, I just wrote long-term portfolio. But then I thought, okay, will they be giving me the overall portfolio P&L value? Okay, whatever. Okay, so now back to multi-strands question. So thanks multi-strand for your question. Okay, so India VIX, yes. India VIX currently is at 1.73% up. Now I will find the answer for this one. Okay, it is not that I'm just gonna give you one built-in answer. Okay, I'm just gonna find the answer for you. Okay, yes. Now, what is the general range of VIX for last week or so? See this, okay, from around 6 May, or let's say this, it is all in the 17 range. Okay, 17 to, it went all the way up to 22. Okay, for I think it was the war scenario. Okay, somewhere near there. Okay, so it went all the way up to 20 seconds, 22 values. Now, when does VIX go up? Okay, VIX goes up the most when there is a high uncertainty in the market, some speculations are going around or some huge event going to happen in the market, because of which market reacts very negatively. When there is a steep fall, VIX increases. VIX can increase considerably. When there is an election result going to be published, without any movement in the market also, before the market moves also, VIX can move up. Okay, so the exit poll came that BJP government is going to win with a landslide margin. Okay, then the VIX went up all the way up to somewhere near 27 to 30 range, and then the next day when the results were actually coming out, we saw that there was no considerable huge margin for BJP, and the VIX shooted up again to around, I think, around 35 range. Okay, so uncertainty and news can create a huge uncertainty and news can create a huge VIX buildup. When there is a gradual increase also, the VIX can cool down. But let me ask you this: in 1 hour time, okay, Nifty went all the way up from what, 24,700, let's say, to 24,900 in space of 1 hour. Okay, in 1 hour Nifty has moved up by 0.8%, which is not a very gradual rise, which is some sort of a sharp rise also. Okay, so when there is considerable movement quickly happening, VIX can rise. Another reason could be there is a global news which is going around now, that Moody's rating of the US credit rating agency, US credit society in general, has degraded from AAA to AA. Okay, that's I think I'm being correct here. Okay, just correct me if I'm wrong. Okay, so the credit rating of the US credits has dropped down, which has created some sort of an uncertainty, instability in the market. Now, because of which there is some sort of an uncertainty, and that could also be the reason why we saw a fall yesterday. This news came out, I know it came out around 3 days ago, but it is not in our hands how the markets or how the FIAs who decide the market behaves. Okay, so that could be the reason, and these are the possible reasons which I told. Okay, and let me tell you, if there is a steep spike in Nifty again to 25,000 all the way, which I think we are seeing now, okay, just as we say, we might say again the Nifty, again the VIX shooting up slightly. Okay, so all these are the reasons, mainly uncertainty. Huge fall in the market means huge good rise in VIX. Huge steep rise in the market can also increase VIX. Gradual considerable rise will stop VIX from going up. Then the VIX will come down, obviously. So I hope I have cleared some of your doubts, if not all. Okay. So how is your long-term portfolio today, and how is my brother's portfolio today? I am handling that also. Today, oh, more than 1% up. My brother's portfolio is, yes, my brother's portfolio is 1.3% up. And what is my portfolio? I will also vote in this one. My portfolio is 1.38% up. I am also more than 1% up. Okay, so if I go to my poll, more than 1% up. So I cannot vote. I am unable to vote. Huh? Okay. Fine. Why is it that I am unable to vote here? I created a poll. I cannot vote. Chalo, fine. back to where we were trading. Okay, at 9:40 now, what is the value of the option? Is it at 115? 115 I expect. Exactly at 115. Shall fine. 115. So at 25,000 I am expecting, I told I am expecting 130 range. It is not India Wix. I want 25,000 call at the 5-minute time frame. Okay. Oh man, every single time I have to change this. Okay. Okay, I am updating. Okay, for those who are viewing this, I am updating my SL to 95. 95 now. 95 becomes my new SL now. My new SL is now 95. Say what I'll put. So what is 95 from 70? 70 to 25 points. That's also more than 30%. Was easy. Don't be confused. Okay, our first SL was at the first most SL was at 60. Then we updated it to 80. Then to cost to 70. Then to 85. This was the previous SL. Okay. This is the new updated SL. Okay, I'll just reduce the size of this one. This is the new SL now. Stop loss at 95. Have we booked? Are we at a profit of close to 40% now? I think yes, more than 40%. Let's ride Nifty. Just keep riding. Nifty 933. I don't see any reason why this candle shouldn't be green. ഈ ക്യാൻഡിൽ ഗ്രീൻ ആവണമെന്ന് തന്നെയാണ് എനിക്കും തോന്നുന്നത്. There is no other way when I see this. And we might approach 25,000. Let me tell you, at 25,000 I am going to exit my remaining loans. Okay, I don't see a rally beyond 25,000 now. Let's see if a retest comes and it goes to the 25,050 range. Then, because 25,000 to 25,050 range has been an intraday resistance for some considerable good time, so I'm not going to hold beyond 25,000. At 980 to 25,000, 980 to 25,000, I'm exiting if Nifty comes there. At 115 now, 115, 116. Okay. Okay, now what is my SL? I'm just seeing something. My SL is at 95. Okay, I'm ready to exit at 95. If Nifty cannot hold this 930, 920, if Nifty cannot hold above 900, okay, so I'm ready to exit at 95. 95 still gives me 70 to 95, 35 percentage. Happy with that. If Nifty comes to 95 also, that also is good profits. Feeling slightly dozy. What is Nifty doing? Okay, this might be another break. We will see. At 105 now. Okay. At 100 now. Okay, I'm ready to exit at 95 if it comes to 95. Where is the 25,000 call? Yes. May 25,000 call at 103 now. The 5-minute candle. I'm just gonna get rid of all these things. The volume, no. Okay, this 95, yes, at 95 remains my SL. My new SL is at 95, 32 to 24, and yes, I need the text to be 16 in black color. My new SL is at 95, and this is the Nifty 25,000 CE 22nd May, tomorrow's expiry. Okay. And you can see what Nifty is doing here, parallelly what the option is also doing here. Yes, Vishnu Srigam are asking any new entries. I am slightly concerned because a new entry here I don't prefer. It is not that you should not do. I'm going to say it, but Nifty is approaching the 930 range, and there is a considerable resistance. There's a huge resistance at 25,000. Okay, so because we have entered, we are expecting it to go to 24,980 to 25,000 levels definitely. But if it drops down, we also have a safe stop loss at 95. So in that case, those who have entered are safe. So those who have not entered, I don't prefer. Okay. നല്ലൊരു സ്റ്റോക്ക് പറയാമോ 5-day holding? See, basically we should not be suggesting any stocks because we are not SEBI registered advisories. That's the first thing. And for a 5-day holding, see, nobody can give you a good stock for that. There is another option for you if you want to hold for 5 days but without any considerable return. Okay, for 5 days you cannot consider any trading or investing or a swing, not even a swing trade. Okay. It might work out, I'm not sure. what I can tell you is that the defense stocks have been rallying now. Okay, so defense stocks, I don't think they have come down to good levels. Okay, they have been rallying now. So if you are interested in defense stocks, maybe defense sector is a possibility for you. Okay, so I should not be suggesting any stocks just like that because that's the rule. Okay, any put options? Okay, I am Vishnu Srinivas. Vishnu, at this point of time, no new entries is what I suggest. Maybe if it was a half an hour earlier, okay, we had got a good catch. Even we were late. Let me tell you this. Okay, even we were late. We could have got it at around 50, 55 or 60, but we got it only at 70. Okay, got this call option only at 70. So um, if you ask me, I am not entering any new trades now. Those which I have, I am just obeying the stop loss, just waiting for this to hit 130 when Nifty goes to 25,000. That's it. Let me be honest, let me be genuine. I don't want anyone to get into trouble. Of course, you may make profit, but with a slightly higher risk. Why take that risk now? Because Nifty might give you beautiful opportunities, easy opportunities again today. So it is not the time to jump into any trades because you have missed out on something. നിങ്ങൾക്കൊരു ട്രേഡ് മിസ്സായി, അതുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾ പുതിയൊരു ട്രേഡ് എടുക്കണം, ലാഭം ഉണ്ടാക്കണം. നോ, I am not in that bracket. I am sorry. Yeah, thank you Vishnu. Yes. Those who have come in, please consider liking the stream. Okay. You can also consider subscribing our channel too. We'll be coming up with exclusive good quality content for you soon. And I'm also sharing from today, we'll be sharing our live P&L, okay, with you. We had entered 300 quantities at 70, exited 150 quantity at 85, and the rest we are trailing stop loss, trailing the SL. So currently at 108. So I believe this has the possibilities to go up to 130 to 40 range, 130 to 140 range. So please like our channel. Okay. പുഞ്ചിരി സായകമാക്കി Well, Nifty. Vishnu Srivar, in the live undavu. Thank you Vishnu for your query. Thank you Nived Patali also. I will answer all your queries because we might have to exit at 95. Just kindly hold on. So this might be Nifty taking a strength. So again, I'm just exiting now. Okay, I'm exiting whatever I have now. Okay, I'm just modifying my order or whatever it is to I'm exiting at 101. Okay, I don't see much of a turnaround now. Or I'll just wait till the end of this candle. So mostly there is a higher possibility that I am exiting now. At market, okay, whatever the market says. Okay, I'm exiting. Yes, I have exited. Okay, I have exited at 99.8 and this is my P&L. Okay, this is the 6,700 with 21,000. So that is more than 30% now. Okay, so that is more than 30%. That is my profit today. The reason why I exited now is because I feel the strength of buyers have been lost at a crucial range of around 950. It went all the way up to 945, but I think that strength is lost now. So this is over. My position has been exited. So all positions are exited at 6,700 loss profit. Okay, that is 35%. That is almost 35%. Okay, that was our first trade today. Okay, so trade 1 we booked 20%, so we'll just average it to, let's say, 27% profit. Okay, so trade 1 is 27% profit, and thanks everyone for supporting. Okay, thank you. This might still show a rally, but I think there is a small confusion. Nifty might pull down to the 24,880 levels, 880 levels too. So I'm not just holding on to anything. Anyway, I've made decent enough profit, very decent profits. Now back to our questions. Vishnu Srikumar and Nived Patali. First, Vishnu Srikumar. എന്ന് ലൈവ് ഉണ്ടാവുമോ? ലൈവ് നാളെയും കൂടെ ഉണ്ടാവും. On probably by the end of this month, I might have my PhD Viva thesis defense coming up. It is a tentative date. Okay, so എൻ്റെ thesis Viva defense ഉണ്ടാവാൻ സാധ്യതയുണ്ട്. അങ്ങനെയാണെങ്കിൽ ഞാൻ ഈ നാളത്തേന് ശേഷം ഒരു 1 week ഗ്യാപ്പ് എടുക്കും. ഓക്കെ, ഒരു 1 week to ഒരു 10 days ഗ്യാപ്പ് എടുക്കും. അതിനുശേഷം വി ആർ പ്ലാനിങ് lives on most days. Okay, so whatever happens in the future എനിക്കിപ്പോഴും മുന്നോട്ട് പറയാൻ പറ്റാത്തതുകൊണ്ടാണ്. എന്തായാലും ഒരു 10 days ഗ്യാപ്പ് നമ്മൾ എക്സ്പെക്ട് ചെയ്യണം. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നമ്മൾ ഡെഫിനറ്റ്ലി വിൽ ബി ബാക്ക് ഇൻ ടു ട്രേഡിംഗ്. ഓക്കെ, മോസ്റ്റ് ഡേയ്സ് ലൈവ് സ്ട്രീംസ്. ആൻഡ് നൗ ടു നിവേദ് പട്ടാളി. Reason for choosing far OTM. You have to understand that it is not a very far OTM. നമ്മൾ ട്രേഡ് എടുത്തത് when Nifty was at 24, when was Nifty was at 800 and it was here. Okay, when Nifty was at 830, 830 to 840 റേഞ്ചിലാണ് നമ്മൾ എടുത്തത്. So it is slightly OTM, slightly far OTM. Okay, it is not too far OTM. Now OTM എടുക്കുന്നത് കൊണ്ട് OTM എടുക്കുമ്പോഴാണ് നമുക്ക് ഫോർ എനി പ്രൈസ് മൂവ്മെന്റ് ഇൻ ദ അണ്ടർലൈങ് അസെറ്റ് വിച്ച് ഈസ് നിഫ്റ്റി നമുക്ക് കൂടുതൽ ആക്സിലറേഷൻ കിട്ടുക ഇൻ ടേംസ് ഓഫ് പെർസെൻറ്റേജ്. ഇഫ് യു ലുക്ക് അറ്റ് ദ ഓപ്ഷൻ ഗ്രീക്സ് വാല്യൂസ്, ഓക്കെ, ഓപ്ഷൻ ഗ്രീക്കിൻ്റെ വാല്യൂസ് നമ്മൾ എടുത്തു നോക്കുകയാണെങ്കിൽ വിച്ച് ആർ ഓപ്ഷൻ ബീറ്റ, ഗാമ, വേഗ. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഓൾ ദീസ് വാല്യൂസ് അതിൻ്റെ ചാർട്ട് നോക്കിയാൽ if you go for 24,900 or 25,000, both these can be considered, but I went for 25,000 expecting Nifty to go to 25,000 also because there is good activity at 25,000. Okay, huge activity. Okay, so I predicted that this far OTM, slightly far OTM, will give me good acceleration when Nifty moves. Okay, and if you look at the percentages, this should have given more acceleration than the 25,100 or the 24,800. Okay, 24,800 has already been in the money. In the money I poi കഴിഞ്ഞു ITMI, and 24,900 and 25,000 are slightly far OTM, slightly OTM. So I just went for 25,000 also because there is good activity. Now I think again our view has been proved right now. Okay, Nifty is, the buyers are not showing strength as of now, at least for this small time frame, and the value of our option has dropped down to 93. We exited at 99.8. We exited at 100. It is at 94 now. So happy with the morning trade, and I will be back in some time. I just need to have my breakfast. Okay, I haven't had my breakfast. So we will be back in 15 minutes time. Okay, 15 minutes time. Okay, so please do stay tuned. Yes, I'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay, so hi everyone, welcome back. Okay, so yes, when I went for breakfast, I could see this thing happening. Okay, is my audio clear? Is there any issues with the audio? Okay, so yes, when I went for breakfast, I could see. Okay, is my audio clear? Is there any issues with the audio? Okay, yes, I had seen that it had broken down to this level of the value of the option went down to, what is it, low of 68. So it was good that we exited. In the meanwhile, I have just have another job. Okay. Yes. Back to our business, where Nifty is going to break out about 920. Okay, so Nifty is showing strength again. There is a possible entry for those who are asking. Okay. Okay, echo an issue now? Is any echo issues there? I don't think there is a problem. I think the audio is clear enough. Okay, so Nifty, okay. So who was asking? Vishnu Srikumar. Yes, Vishnu Srikumar was asking that is there any entry possible? I don't see any entries in this range. Okay, I'm sorry for that. Okay, in this range, no entries, or let us say, to be precise, in this range, no entries. From okay, from 24,930 to 940. Let's keep it here. Okay, let's keep it here. So 24,940 to 24,860 levels. No entries in this region. And to be sure, to be more certain about something, let us keep it at 840. Okay, in this box I don't see any trades, especially because when we trade it will generally be of tomorrow's expiry and there will be time decay. Do understand that there will be considerable time decay today and tomorrow. So if we get a catch but without any strength, if Nifty moves without any strength also, the movement of your option will also be very limited. Okay, so you either need strength or you need some time for the expiry also. So today morning we had strength. Okay, ഇന്ന് രാവിലെ നമ്മളൊരു സ്ട്രെങ്തോടുള്ള ഒരു ബിൽഡപ്പ് കണ്ടപ്പോഴായിരുന്നു നമ്മൾ എൻ്റർ ചെയ്തത്. ഓക്കെ, സോ ഇപ്പോൾ സ്ട്രെങ്ത് കാണിക്കുന്നില്ലെങ്കിൽ ലെറ്റസ് അത് കാരണം if it doesn't show strength, then the acceleration of your option will also be very low. You will not get much profits. That being my point. Of course you will make some, but with probably higher risk. Why take the risk so much? Okay, just kindly hold on. Okay, now for Vishnu Srikumar, yes. Okay, so Vishnu, 24,800. Okay, let us see for 24,700 put where it is at. Okay, 24,700 put. If Nifty can break the 24,000, this box, okay, if Nifty can break this box, and breaking this box will also mean breaking the swing low of 24,860, and there is a very good possibility of Nifty doing that. Let me tell you this, there is a good possibility. In that case, the 24,700 put, the value of 24,700 put can go from possibly 55, 56 to where Nifty goes. So Nifty will, in all possibilities, might go up to go another okay, 840 to 800 levels. We'll also confirm it with, I am not into anything. Because there is a good support at 800 is what I saw earlier. I will just confirm it with the open interest data. How about the OI data? The OI data, yes, the put OI, there is good build up at 24,800, 24,800 and 24,700 too, very comparable. Okay. So let me tell you, this is my initial trades position, P&L, days P&L for 25,000 call. My only trade today, one and only trade today. That gave us, how much was the profit? Was it more than 25, I guess? Like, it was more than 25, yes. Charging, yes. I'll just be back in a minute. There is something happening downstairs. Yes. We are back. And what is happening in SENSEX? What is SENSEX doing? Let us do one thing. Let us change the Fibonacci to today's time frame. Okay, from 0 to 1. Okay, so this is 0 to 1. This is the time frame for today. Okay, so this is the 0 level, this is the 1, this is the highest point, and Nifty might even fall back to the 24,840 range to beyond 800. Let me tell you this, if Nifty can break 800 or below, I am not entering any trades until 800. Okay, if Nifty can break below 800, then possibilities of 700, because that will also be breaking the 0.382 region of what, the Fibonacci. Okay, the 800 to 790 range, if it breaks, then another 100 points rally in Nifty. So I'll just write it here. Yesterday also we had done this. We told that if Nifty can break 24,870, then all possibilities of 800 and below, we had told yesterday itself, and we put up a writing in message also. Nifty went all the way down to 670 yesterday, 24,670, and yes, Nifty is breaking down. So all classic signs of Nifty breaking down. So we will get back to the options. Nifty May 24. So I'll go for 24,700 put. I am not doing anything now. Okay, I haven't entered anything. I'm not doing anything now, but I might. It made a low of 840. Because this is also the golden zone region. Okay, this is also called the golden zone, 0.5 to 0.618. Okay, so in this range Nifty can take a pause and go up as well. So just to be sure, just to be more precise, okay, let us avoid this region. If Nifty can break the 930 range again, 930 to 940 range again, then another 60 points, then I will go for a catch. Or if Nifty can break the 800 levels, then in the put side I will go for a catch. I think I have a visitor today. Again, something has happened. Just a minute. I'm sorry again. Yes. My brother and his family has come from my brother's wife's house. So, with all the kids. Okay. Anyway, chalo. Okay, what is Nifty doing? Okay, 840. Nice. Where is the option now? 58 only. That's it. Not moving much. It needs this again is the zone, good zone. See, let me mark this. This is not where I trade. This is where I don't trade. Okay, in this range, no trades. Okay, see this one. If you had entered a put option at around, let's say 55, 56, now you are in loss. Okay, so this is the golden zone. It might be that Nifty is just pulling it down to the golden zone and then rushing away upwards. Possible. I'll also take a look at the also take at the sensible data provided by Sensible. How about the OI data and all? മായാമയൂരം പീലി നീർത്തിയോ. Nifty trying to fool us, huh? Nifty നമ്മക്കിട്ടൊരു ആപ്പ് വെച്ചതാണോ? So maybe analyze. So the market analysis. So OI says, okay. The FIIs have sold 10,000 crore worth assets yesterday. And the PCR is around 0.65 at around 24,700, 800, around 0.65, and overall of 0.5, which indicates weakness, which does not indicate strength. So be very careful. Be very careful for all these pullbacks, small pullbacks or traps here. The OI data generally, the PCR and all generally suggests there is some sort of weakness, short-term weakness in the market. La 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 la. Nifty hitting the golden zone. Is Nifty moving back up again? Above 940 I am definitely into a trade until 25,000 and possibly beyond. Okay, above 940, and I'll keep my stop loss at 900. Okay, something if happens at 900, I'll keep my SL there, and I'll try to hit 25,100 if possible, because that is where, yes, beautiful formation today, very important everyone, those who are in the stream, very important. Okay, very important, kindly listen. Okay, yes. How do I do this? How do I give this chat? Yes. Fibonacci says Nifty retesting the golden zone if breaking 24,950. Okay, expecting 25,100. Okay, so this is what the Fibonacci, as per the Fibonacci, we are expecting pin message. I have just pinned my message to the top of the chat box. Okay, kindly see that. Okay, Nifty is retesting, giving a retest from the Fibonacci levels to the 0.5 to 0.618 levels. Okay, from the 0.5 to 0.618, testing that and going up again. If Nifty manages to go up again above 950, then I think 25,000 today can be taken out today, very possible, and give a rally up to 25,100. Okay, about 24,950, 25,000. This is as per the Fibonacci. Okay, I am telling that is a Fibonacci. And for the OI data, definitely there is good build up at 25,000. I know that. Okay, the highest call OI build up is at 25,000. That is definitely a resistance too. So now it's a mixture of this or that. Yes. I'm back now. Nifty, in all fairness, is becoming weak now. Nifty has all the possibilities to go down to 24,800 now. 24,800 is a very possible scenario. 833 going down, 830, but no trades here. Getting below 830. But yes, as for the OI data, 800 is a support. 800 is a good support. Then 700 definitely. So that is our zero level also. Okay, so 700, it will take us up to 700 also if 800 is taken out. So I am ready with my put option at whatever price it is. Okay, it still has got something to do. So as I told, if it is coming with strength to retest 800, then I can enter, but not now. Nifty might be tricking us. പാലക്കാട് പോയിരിക്കും. ഇങ്ങോട്ട് ആരെങ്കിലും കാണട്ടെ. നിഫ്റ്റി എങ്ങോട്ട് പോകുന്ന പറഞ്ഞേ യൂസ് ചെയ്തോണ്ടിരിക്കാം. അത്യാവശ്യം ഉണ്ടോ? ആ തരാം. രണ്ടുപേരും വന്നു. ഇത് എന്റെ ഏട്ടന്റെ മക്കളാണ്. ഒരാള്
മക്കളാണ്. ഒരെണ്ണം
അമ്മേ കേറിയിരിക്കണം. അമ്മും രണ്ടും കൂടെ നല്ല
ചിറ്റപ്പൻ
ആണോ? അതാണ് ചിറ്റപ്പൻ. ഓക്കെ, പിള്ളേരുടെ കരുവിരുതുകളാണ്. ആരും ഒന്നും വിചാരിക്കരുത് ഞങ്ങളിങ്ങനെയൊക്കെയാണ്. So back to earlier trading. If Nifty can break 24,800, then 24,700. Okay, expect 24,700. 100 points rally with OI data to 750 में कुछ नहीं है. There is very little activity at, means very less activity at 750, but 800 then 700. Okay. പരിചയപ്പെടുത്തില്ലോ. ഇത് ശംഭു രണ്ടാമത്തെ ആള്, ഇത് അമ്പു മൂത്ത ആള്. അമ്പുവിന് ഇപ്പൊ എത്ര വയസ്സായടാ? എത്ര വയസ്സായി അമ്പുവിന്? LKG ആയി. LKG എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ വയസ്സ് എത്രയായി? 5ആയോ 4ആയി അല്ലേ? അമ്പുവിന് 4 വയസ്സ്. ഇദ്ദേഹത്തിന് നിനക്ക് എത്ര വയസ്സാണ്? മുട്ടച്ചി മുട്ടച്ചിക്ക് 1.5 വയസ്സ്. അതെ, 1 വയസ്സ്. ഓക്കെ, അപ്പോൾ രണ്ടുപേരെ ഇറക്കി വിടാൻ തൽക്കാലം നമുക്ക് സമയമായി. നമുക്ക് നമ്മുടെ ട്രേഡിൻ്റെ കാര്യങ്ങൾ നോക്കാം. അമ്പു ചെല്ല് ചിറ്റപ്പനൊരു ജോലി ചെയ്യട്ടെ. താങ്ക് യു ഫോർ യുവർ വിസിറ്റ്. ഓക്കെ അമ്പു, ഇതൊന്നും എടുത്ത് വന്നു ചിറ്റപ്പൻ. പുറകിലെത്ത് പെട്ടെന്ന് അടി കൂടെ പോയാൽ മതി. അമ്പു അടി കൂടെ പോയാൽ മതി. താങ്ക് യു. ശംഭുവിനെ കൊണ്ട് പോയെ കഥക് ചാരിയാക്കണേ. അടി കൂടെ ആണ്ടെ ഇപ്പുറത്ത് വന്നോ. ഓരോ സാധനത്തിന് ഓഫ് ലോഡ് ചെയ്യാൻ പെടുന്ന പാട്. പോട്ടെ വണ്ടി പോട്ടെ. അമ്പു അതൊന്ന് കഥക് ചാരിയായ. ഡോറ് വെച്ചായിരിക്കും കേട്ടോ. വേണ്ട. കുറ്റിയിടണമെന്ന് ചോദിക്കുന്നത്. പുറത്തൊന്ന് കുറ്റിയിട്ടിട്ട് പോയി കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഹോപ്പ് യു ആർ നോട്ട് ഒഫൻഡഡ്. ഓക്കെ, പിള്ളേരെ വിട്ടു. പിള്ളേര് ഇപ്പൊ നമ്മൾ വിളിച്ചിട്ട് കയറി വരുന്നല്ലോ, അങ്ങ് വരുന്നല്ലേ പിള്ളേര്. ഓക്കെ. I'm sorry, yes. ഇപ്പോൾ കുഴപ്പമില്ലെന്ന് കരുതുന്നു. ക്യാമറ ആൻഡ് യെസ്. പറ്റിക്കാൻ നോക്കണ്ട നിഫ്റ്റി. Yes. Okay. Nifty at 24,830 levels. No trades, just happy with the first trade today, which is what trade 1 27% profit. So what was our first trade? First trade was from which was 25,000 see 22 May from 70 to 85 to 100 99.8. okay, chalo 100. okay, so this was our first trade. Okay, so that was the first trade. First trade came out to be in 27% profits. Booking partial quantity at 85, then booking partial quantity at 102. We got a ride from approximately here to here. How much is it? That is almost 0.5%. Okay, so 0.5% in Nifty gave us 27% in options. How good is that? Right? By the way, 25,000 call is currently at 57 rupees, 57. The asset we entered from 70 to 85 to 100. The ride we did now currently is at 57. Okay, just understanding the trend and just understanding that buyers are losing strength at 24,940 levels and just exiting at 24,920. Very healthy, very good decision, very good trade. And please don't forget to like the stream. Okay, Vipin Madhav says Chittappa. Yes, Chittappan Prarabdham പിന്നെ പലതൊക്കെ ഉണ്ട്. ഇതൊക്കെയല്ലേ രസം. പിള്ളേരുള്ളപ്പോൾ പിള്ളേരോടെ കളിക്കാം. Okay. I think what is my portfolio? My today's portfolio is more than a percentage up, I guess. I think due to connectivity issues there is a delay of close to 15 seconds now, 1.5, more than 15 seconds. Nifty is in the golden zone of today's 5-minute candles, in the Fibonacci golden zone, okay, of today's data as far as we have here now. Yes, yes, yes. I'll take both of it and paste it here. This doesn't need the liquidity lens, this doesn't need the volume lens either. This doesn't need the buy and sell buttons either. Okay, so this is plain chart. Yes, yes. So everything is clear in this chart now. Okay, this is today's opening. Okay, today's opening is from this zone. Okay, so this is today's opening from here to here. This is where we have drawn the Fibonacci, and it is in this golden zone now. Okay, let me see how I can change the wick, okay, of the symbol to session regular trading, precision. Okay, 2 decimals, time zone, yes. Scales and lines. Come down to bar close. Yes, Nifty is breaking. Yes, breaking the 800 levels. Yes, now it's time for me to consider an entry of 24,700 put. Okay, it is breaking. Yes, okay, so 24,700 put at, if Nifty is Nifty breaking this level. Yes, it should be breaking this level of this level, yes. So I am entering at, okay, entering another 300 quantity, okay, at 67, I mean 66. It will definitely hit 66 here, yes. Okay, so I am entering at 66, 67 range. So 66 is where I am entering. I think my order should have been hit by now. Didn't I place an order? Yes, I have placed an order. Yes. Oh, it came down to 66.5, but chalo, I'm fine. It will come to 66, I believe. Oh my god. I came down all the way to 66.25. I saw 66.25. How bad is that? Okay, chalo, anyway, I'll just modify this. Okay, modify this to 67. Let it hit 67 at least. 67 is still on the cards. Yes, 67 is still possible. So my SL will be at ES 60. 67 to 60. 60 will be my SL. This still hasn't taken. Still hasn't hit the target. That's really bad, yeah. It came down to 66.25. I saw 66.25. Anyway, my entry is at 67 for 24,700 put. Okay, so 24,700 put of this week's expiry, of tomorrow's expiry. Okay, expecting Nifty to go from, since it is breaking the 800 levels, all the way to 700 levels now. Okay, expecting weakness in Nifty. Nifty just keeps going down, but the option isn't performing so well. But I expect the 67 range to be hit. Okay, I may just even miss out on this one, but still it's fine. This is our prediction. Okay, our entry is at 66. We have modified it to 67, right? Exactly at 67. Okay, 67, and our target can remain to definitely 80, 82. Okay, 82 and 83 can be our target. Okay, coordinates I will move it to 82. Okay, 67 to 82 will be the first target, and I am placing a stop loss at 60. Okay, it's not 59.5, it is 60. So my order is at 67. Okay, so 67 to, so I may lose 2100. Very much fine with the first trade I have taken. After the first trade, we have taken 27% profit. If it hits the stop loss, no problem. So I am someone with a FOMO. Okay, it is a fear of missing out. Okay, so I'll just modify this order. and place it at 69. Okay, coming down to 69. I'm just watching it out. Okay, 68, coming down to 67. Should hit 67 now. Our entry is at 67. Yes, it has hit 67. Yes, happy for that. It has hit 67. Now our first target will remain target 1 remain at 82, 28 to 22. This is our target 1, and the next target, as we did in the first trade, we will just trail our stop loss. Okay, 67 to 82, 15 points. That is also close to 20%. Our SL, okay, I'll also mark the SL here. I have to do that. This is my SL. This is my target 1. Okay, so how much is it? What is the ratio? This is the long position. Okay, so this is the target, and this is the stop loss. So the risk to reward is two times. Okay, so for every single rupee risk I take, I am getting 2 rupee reward, which is a good thing to have. Okay, so currently, yes, moving to 73, finding strength. Okay, the put option is finding strength, and because 800 is taken out, now only I see 700 as the next support, with also the previous candle. Okay, the candle of Nifty, this candle from Nifty is solid bearish, breaking out the 0.382 as well as the 800 levels. So no reason why it should not go to 700. It should be going to the 700 region. This is our expectation. So this is trade 2. Okay, we already had trade 1 for today. Okay, this is the second trade. Yes, going to hit 82. Yes, I am ready to exit. Okay, so this is the second trade we are running now. Entered at 67, currently at 78. Okay, a proper analysis. Now I am ready to exit half of my quantity at 82. Okay, I am ready to exit half of my quantity at 82, because that is where my 20% initial target is. Okay, just to book profit and just to be safe. ഒരു മിനിറ്റ് ചുറ്റും പിന്നെ വരാം. താഴെ തന്നെയുണ്ട്, താഴെ തന്നെ സോഫയിൽ നോക്കിയാൽ. ഓക്കെ, സോ this has to yes okay. Yes, 82 will be my first target. Oh my god, it went to 89. Okay, I'm happy there. I am just placing a market order at 88. Easy target hit. Okay, and the next I am just trailing my stop loss to now. My new SL will now be, yes, 75. I'll keep it to 75. The bottom of this candle. Okay, I am just closing this one. The new SL can be 75, and I can just trail the stop loss. So target 1 is now achieved. Okay, target 1 is achieved, and we are going for target 2, which will be somewhere, I don't know exactly where, but we will have 24,700 hopefully soon. Nifty in all probabilities is going to 24,700. So our 20% target is achieved. Now the next one. So again, let me tell you, do not look at your positions portfolio. Okay, just look at the value of the option and the Nifty levels, because if you look at the positions or the your P&L, you will think like, okay, this is the profit, okay, will I miss out on this profit, will Nifty go back or behave against me? Okay, so you will have all those sort of things. Okay, so this is our current live position, as you can see, all of you can see. Okay, entered at 67, holding 150 quantity at 102 now. Expecting Nifty to go to 24,700 definitely. Now my stop loss now will be 85. I am just trailing my stop loss to 85 now. Okay, I'll just keep trailing my stop loss. Okay, so this will be my new SL at 107, 108 now. Expecting Nifty to hit 730 levels. If Nifty is hitting 730, okay, close to 730, I am definitely exiting the rest of my quantities. Okay, so this is currently our profit now. Okay, at 108, 150 quantity. Okay, 9,000. So this is a healthy return. It's a good return for today. It's a good premium spike in 24,700 put. So 85 to 90. Okay, so I'll keep it at 89. This will be my, I'll just keep it at 89 because Nifty may do a small retest and then pull back again. So I'm just giving it some buffer space. Okay, if Nifty doesn't go all the way to 730 just like that, if it is taking a small while, then it might come to 90 also. So still 67 to 90. It's a 23 rupee, which is 30%. As you can see, parallelly Nifty is doing its thing from 800 to 24,700. Nifty 24,700 പോവാണ്. Okay, so our second trade for the day, okay, trade 1 was around 27%, trade 2 even better, and 24,700 will also mark the low of the day, day's low. Okay, so it is marking the day's low, which means that will definitely act as a support, is what I believe. Anyway, I am exiting the rest of my quantities at a near 120. Okay, so exit 2 quantities at 115, 120 is my target, 120. Okay, 127 now. Okay, 128. So that's where I am exiting. Okay, I am just telling you this. This is at 135.37. Now I am exiting this. Yes, as you can see, 133.28. That's where I have exited, and I have made a profit of 13,000 from an invested 300 into what 60 from an invested 20,000. Okay, so 20,000 invested made a profit of 13,000. Okay, which is not bad. Was that 60%? Yes, 60% catch. Okay, so this was our trade 1. Okay, this was trade 1, and we have exited this. Okay, we have exited this trade 1 at this much, trade 2 at yes, trade 1 this much, okay, this is trade 1, and trade 2, for trade 2 I think we have Okay, what did we do? It was 24,700 PE. 22nd May we did a ride from 67, right? From 67 to 85 to 133 or 134. Let's leave it 133. Okay, so this is not 27% profit. I'm sorry, this is what? So an average of 85 on 133, 40, so 20. So average of 105, 67 to 105, 40. So that is 60% profit. Okay, I'm sorry, it is 60% profits. Yes. So this is what we have done today. Trade 1, 27%. Trade 2, 60%. With proper, solid, logical analysis of Nifty. Okay, we made this profit, and very happy to inform you that we have done this. And those who are part of the stream, those who are taking the trades in the meantime along with this, all the best and congratulations. Okay, and now for the timing 12:30, it's lunch time. I'm gonna stop now. It's enough for the day for me. Okay, I'm not looking out for much more opportunities today. So that's it. Thanks from my side. Thanks for supporting. Those who are in the channel, please consider liking the channel. Okay, do like the channel, do like the stream, do subscribe so that we can get you quality content more often than not. Okay, so thank you everyone. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Hope everyone had a great day. Have a very good day tomorrow on all the upcoming days also. Okay, എല്ലാവർക്കും നല്ലൊരു ദിവസം നേരുന്നു. എല്ലാവരും ഹെൽത്തി ആയിട്ട് ആരോഗ്യവാന്മാരായിരിക്കട്ടെ, ആരോഗ്യവതികളായിട്ടിരിക്കട്ടെ. എല്ലാവർക്കും